Let's travel in the realm of oration by listening to the eloquent speaker. So, I would like to invite our first speaker, Brother Abdullah Zishan, to deliver a speech on the topic of Islam and education.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad. Allah bless him and give him peace, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, firstly I would like to thank Allah for this golden opportunity, and then I am so grateful to my respected teachers, honorable guests, and principal of AKA Inter College. Today, I will shed some light on the subject that Islam brought about the educational revolution in the world. Nowadays, education is considered to be a gift of this modern age. But in fact, it is only Islam which laid down the foundation of education and took it to unknown heights. It is an established truth that Islam has not only attached much emphasis on education, rather it is the messenger of knowledge and leader of an educational revolution. Other civilizations put education in the category of necessities of life, but Islam regarded it the utmost necessity of each human being. Dear audience, unlike other religions and civilizations, Islam terms education as basic right of every individual in the society. The Greece and China have made extraordinary progress in the field of education and art, but they also didn't favor the education for all. Plato has also dreamed of democracy and equality, but he also couldn't go beyond education for some particular segments of the society. In India, which once was the center of education and art, a lower caste person wasn't even allowed to hear religious scriptures. None can deny the glory of Nalanda and Taxila universities. But after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education in Hindu periods. Education was only the monopoly of higher classes of the society. When the Son of Islam was enlightening the world, Europe was passing through dark ages of history. The scientists, artists, and men of learning were tortured, and sometimes even they were tortured to death. Similarly, ignorance was prevailing all over Arabia. There was neither a school nor a college and a library. Quraysh, the head of all tribes in Arabia, had only 17 persons who knew writing. In 570 AD, when the Son of Islam rose from the horizon of Arabian Peninsula in its fullest blaze, the entire world was shrouded by darkness and steeped in ignorance and long slumbered. The first slogan that Islam chanted in this horrible atmosphere was about education. The earliest verses of the Quran invited people to education, as Allah said in Holy Quran. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Read with the name of your Lord who created everything. He created man from a clot of blood. Read, and your Lord is the most gracious, who imparted knowledge by means of the pen. He taught man what he is due to. Surah number 92 and ayah number from 1 to 5. These verses of the Quran are considered to be the fountainhead of education in post-Islamic history. They created a remarkable eagerness towards education. The Quran filled the followers of Islam with a tremendous spirit and hadith also encouraged this spirit and gave it a good push by repeated mentioning of education, virtues and greatness. The Quran has laid much importance to education. That's why it regarded education as the main purpose of the advent of Prophet Muhammad. Allah bless him and give him peace in this world, as the Holy Quran said. هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين. He is the one who raised amidst the unlettered people a messenger from among themselves, who recites to them his verses and purifies them and teaches them the book and the wisdom while they were earlier in open error. Surah number 62 and ayah number 2. This is the reason that the Prophet Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace, himself said, I was sent down as a teacher. Ibn Majah hadith number 225. Dear audience, in short, Islam is the pioneer of educational revolution. It led the humanity from stark darkness to broad daylight. Here I conclude my talk and pray Allah to grant us right knowledge that enlightens our hearts and brightens our souls. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah.